Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the pose detection and recognition. So this will be the complete dataset and this will be the valid folder, and in the images folder there is 476 images. Let's open the label file. So it will store the coordinates, like you can see, of every images. It will be similar to images folder, like 476 labels. Now open the training folder and open the images. So it contains like 4064 items. Like we have trained the machine learning model on that particular data set. Like it contains huge number of images, so we'll get the more accuracy. And this will be the label folder. So it contains coordinates of each images. This will be the testing folder. It contains 228 images and these are the label. Okay, just go back, and this will be the YOLO training accuracy. Let's open the curve, like P curve. Okay, open the confusion matrix. It will show the classes, number of classes. Like you can see in that particular image, it will give the classification like top of swing, release, takeaway, mid, backswing, finish, address. Okay, so you can classify a type of pose detection. Okay, this will be the best.pt's model, and this will be the output image. It will show the pre-impact and with the accuracy 0.90. Okay, let's open the terminal and run the python space test image detection.py file. So you have to give the input image location and it will detect and give the output. So model will load and it will classify that release position with 0.93% accuracy. Let's copy the location of any other image. Okay, let's copy that particular image file and rename to the previous image. Okay, just save it, go back and again open the terminal and run the file. Like you can use the Visual Studio Code or whatever editor you want to run. Okay, let's again open the model. So it will predict like top of swing 0.87% accuracy. Let's close it and select any other image. We have to go into test folder and the images, and let's open this image. Okay, and copy that particular name and go to code file, and we have to rename in that particular image file name. So just rename it and save. Okay, and again open the terminal and write python space test image detection.py, and model will detect and classify the type of posture. Okay, this will be the finish and will show the 0.91% accuracy. Let's give one more image. Scroll down. Let's copy that particular image file name and paste in the coding file. Paste here and save, and again run the file, like open terminal. Like process will be same, like we have to only write python space test image detection.py and it will open the output image. Like it will show the address and it will show 0.989% accuracy. Let's close it and open the terminal, and let's run for the video live detection.py. So whenever we run the file, it will open the laptop front camera and it will try to detect and classify the type of posture. Okay, now laptop front camera will open and it will detect the posture like release, and it will show with the accuracy, finish, like that. It will show the finish currently. Okay, now I'm release. Okay, this will be the release posture. Let's close it. This will be the IPNBY file, like training file. Let's open terminal. First we have to install the notebook, like if you don't have installed that particular library. So first you have to install pip install notebook. Okay, after user have to write python space -m space notebook. So after that it will open any browser on that particular URL. So like folder will open and we have to open the YOLO training code goal direction file. So first we have to unzip that particular, and we have to train model from the dataset files images, and we are importing the libraries. Okay, let's close it. Let's close. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.